Hello everybody, Wecklessar here. And we are back to the walking zombies. Yeah, so, I'm not saying what we did in the last episode. As always. Wait a minute. Well, I'm back. I had some family business. Well, we got skill points and perk point. Let's upgrade it. First of all, we should get reading. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I should upgrade. What's outdoorsman? Curing. Healing efficiency. The healing. No. Health. Defense. Yeah, I should upgrade health. And I should get reading. Of course. Now, let's go to my inventory and read all these books. Use. What even is this? An introduction of poetry. Why would I care about that? Trash. That's good. Okay, now let's upgrade my shotgun. Of course. Okay, what do I upgrade? Real time or attack speed? Yeah, attack speed. Weapon can't change. Ooh, this is good. This looks good. Okay. Layla. Can you teach me more about healing? Yes, but it will cost you. Will you pay? I'm on it. Who knew that she would ask for money? I already spent it all on upgrading my weapons. Well, back to the destroyed factory. Last time we were here, we had to demolish zombies, absolutely wreck them. Okay, let's try out our new. No, doggy, why do you have to be like this? And why are you so durable? Okay. Go to the thing. Am I slower because I'm carrying more stuff? Oh, medical supplies. Destroy the chimney to get to the roof. Why? Don't worry, I have bandages. Bandage. Why is it always the wrist? Anyways, what do I have to do? Let's take this. Can I take this box? No, I can't. Okay, where do I go now? On the bottom floor. Okay. Put. Okay. Goodbye. Oh, I'm supposed to move that way back that way. I'm supposed to move to the way. What do I do? Hello. Hello. Oh. Yeah. Let's go. Yay. I know what I'm doing. Yay. Actually, what am I doing? Where do I go now? I just take them? Yay! Return to the city. No, I don't want it. There is airplane mode for a reason. Okay, let's get back to the mail. Piece of cake. Hi, I needed help again. If you do it, I'll give you a rare helmet. What else? Find some cloth for winter and the destroyed factory. I have tons of it. I have tons of cloth. I'll show you right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pieces of cloth. I'll just use these things. Okay. I still have to go. Okay, I get it. Why do I still have to go? By the way, that thing in the sky, it looked like an airship. It was actually clouds. Remember the episode I told you what that was? Yeah, it was actually clouds. Rainbow, yay. Can you see it? Of course. Unless you're blind. I'm so sorry for you. Yeah, let's go. Destroyed factory again. Basic lockpick, super lockpick, ultra lockpick. Okay. Seriously, in the dark, I can't see anything. Hello. Hold up. Where do I go now? Hello. Goodbye. What is this? I thought it was a mechanical dog. No, why, doggies, why? Why, doggies? Why? Why do I have to do this? This feels cool. And I feel overpowered. Hello, I have a screenshot now. Hello. Oh yeah. Oh, interesting. I have no heavy DLA, but okay, I guess. Hello, Hanging Zombie. Goodbye. I'm still going to see. Why can't I change all these here? This sucks. Yay, I have a chainsaw and I'm staying now. Seriously? I was just there. Hello. Wait, there weren't any zombies here. Where did they keep coming from? Hello. Where do I go now? Okay, fix this. Yay. Yay. Let's go back. Enter. Okay. Let's go to Layla. Yes, I did it. I already had that. No, I already had that. I'm literally wearing one right now. Why would I need a second one? Actually, I should sell this. Yeah, that's a good idea. Trader, you still here? Yes, you are. Okay, I want to... Wait, trunk can... sell. Bottle of water? No, keep those. Sell all scraps. What is this? I'll keep that. Okay, what else do I do? Layla has no other quests, okay? I think when we finish all the quests, we're going to end the game. Oh, that was treasure! Yay! Let's go to it. Oh, here. We're spending our gas too quick. Go, 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 go. Yeah. Continue. Hello, I'm back. Again. Hola. He just stands there. Yeah. Hello. Shotgun. Get ready to battle. Okay, safe. Beep. What do I do? Boop. Okay.
So, let's see what we have here.
Oh, he
What's
actually
in
came
there?
up there.
Some kind of yellow card.
Oh,
We got
no.
a problem. A whole horde is heading our way. I'll go ahead.
Yeah, I have grenades, don't worry. I hope it doesn't deflect off the window. Who am I kidding? Of course it will. Now, what do I do? Oh, I'm supposed to get down. Hello. Hola. Hello, I'm going to run. Hello, goodbye. Seriously? Alright, his hobby was betraying friends. Seriously? Seriously, dude?
Fuck.
10 days later. Oh, chickens! Was this a dream already? Was this a... How did he survive? How is he not a zombie?
Strange. I need to get home and talk to Frank. I need to get back home.
Of course, his hobby was betraying friends. Clearly said in the opening scene. Of course you didn't see it, but I saw it with my own two eyes. I knew he was going to betray me. Of course I did. Let's continue. Skip that along.
Frank, what happened there? I wanted to wait for him until he got into the car, but he didn't make it. The zombies got him sooner, so I had to leave.
How is it possible that he survived that? It's been 10 days. He would have turned already.
Look, he has bite marks.
But his wounds are almost healed.
I'll explain everything, but we need to let him rest now.
Even I myself didn't know this. Can I stick? Oh, kill Frank. Dude, where's my guns? Give me my freaking guns right now. I'll literally kill him with my own bullshit. Why can't I punch him? Why can't I punch him? Frick you. else. It's necessary to go there and pump the contaminated water to the second waste reservoir. I am on it. Did we lose our memory? Because I would kill him right now. I can kill him. Why can't I kill him right now? I'm so upset. Do I have my guns? Yes, I do. Why didn't I kill him right then and there? Let's upgrade firearms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 29. Okay. Fricky Frank. Let's go to this place. Shooting range. Is this does this reset this whole thing? Is this thing a loop? Because the last time I went there was way back in episode 1. Probably didn't see it. Oh, here they are. Yay. Oh, they're strong now. Yay. Okay. Oh, it's behind it. Yay. Can I bust this down? Where are you? Hello. Hello, I am here. Hello, random stranger that I don't know that was notified. Hello. Good. Ooh, this looks fancy. Hello, I am here. Why didn't I find this earlier? Hello, hola. Good. Okay. Hack. Hack. This is easy. And why is there a button literally saying hack? I think that is not helpful. That explosion was right in my face. How did I not die? Well, press the button. When you don't know what to do, press the big red button. In this case, small red button. But yeah, let's go. Get my shoulder yet? Whoop. Whoop. Wait, what? Okay, where is it? Where is it? I can just open it. No. Holy. Bad dog. Hello. Hello. I think I cleared all of you out, but okay, I guess we're doing this again. Okay, I'm here. Hello, hola. Yeah. Yeah. Use. What did this do? Okay, I guess we're returning to the city. Let's go. Enter. Okay, this is a very long episode compared to my other ones. By the way, this is all happening in the same day. I did this whole series so far in one day. Let's see if I do the other ones in the same day. If they come right, one right after the another, yeah, I did it in the same day. Congrats to me. Quest complete. Why the heck should I trust you? Well, anyway, let's talk to Lego. Amanda is lost. Please, will you help me? Who's Amanda? I had been collecting mushrooms with Amanda when a horde of zombies appeared and divided us. Continue. When I returned there, Amanda was already gone. I beg you, find her. Is that the girl that was... Yep, it is. Well, let's go. No. Let's go to the destroyed factory. Enter. Why am I doing this? Actually, let's make this episode half an hour long. Yeah, if you dare watch it this far. Okay, so if I'm walking, there's a wider spread, but if I'm not, there's a smaller spread. That is very helpful. What did I even come here to find? Oh, hello, hello, hello. Hello, my friends. What I did. Boop. Just for the walls. Yay. Hello, hello. Hello. Let's go there. Search the grass. What grass? This is a well. Oh, incoming zombies. There are only 6 zombies. What are you talking about? Golden scrap! Yes! That is so good. Beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. Yeah. Now I'm just doing it for the fun. Not even to find Amanda. I'm just doing it because I like to do it. Am I searching for Amanda's dead body or something? Oh, a teddy. Take. Pretty hoppy. Now it's my freaking property. Okay. We're here. Yee. Well, I think that's it for this episode. Oh, and by the way, I found poop. Yeah. And that's it for this episode. Goodbye, everybody.